So we clearly use our own product, Traffic Monster, to market our different brands and products. We have tons, hundreds of blogs, actually, thousands of blogs that we're using for different products. Um, but I wanted to show, especially with the new version, version 2, Traffic Monster, how you can use Traffic Monster with podcasts and videos, and to automate creating blogs to promote that kind of content. We've made it really, really easy. And let me show you exactly how to do it. So if you have a video, so we'll automate, there's a manual step, and the manual step is you'll need to convert your video to text. So in this case, there's a video by the Sam Deaver podcast that I did with Sam. And so I'm using this software called Happy Scribe, and Happy Scribe allows me to just convert, transcribe the video to text. But what it does also that's super cool, when I click on that, then it will allow me to click share. And then now I have a link, okay, that I can copy. And that's all Traffic Monster need is a link that's exposed on the internet, and then we'll do all the work for you. So all I have to do now that I have that link, and the link, this is the whole transcribed text from the video. I just have to now go to Traffic Monster. I go to my campaigns. I'm going to just create a new campaign, and I'm going to call it Sam Deaver VR Podcast with Rohan. Okay. And I just paste the URL. This is the transcribed video. And you can pick from different plans. This will create daily videos. So we're going to have every 2 days we'll create, I'm sure not videos, blogs. This is one blog per day, two blogs per day, three blogs. If you do this plan, you have over 1,000 blogs in the next 12 months. So we're going to go ahead and pick that. You have all different kinds of options. We're going to keep it to automatically publish, so that I don't have to think about it every day. It will just create new blogs for me, 3 new blogs with the plan that I selected. If I wanted to use a white label, which I don't really want to, but someone can do that to use their own domain for the blogs. I will make myself the author, so just Rohan Hall, and I will grab my profile and my rohanhall.com is my, so you can use, for example, your LinkedIn. And what this does, it'll show your image and a link to your personal profile with this LinkedIn. I have my own domain, so I'll use that. And yes, use this on all the blogs that we create. Yes, I want to have meta tags and internal links. Yes, I want to capture leads, so we can capture leads from my blog. Yes, social media. Let me go and grab my LinkedIn. Let's see if it shows up. No, I have to go get it. Hold on. Okay, I went to get my LinkedIn and my Twitter. URL. And yes, please add this to my social media. So these will show up on my blog as well. Yes, let's add the newsletter as well. That's default. So we can capture people for my newsletter. And yes, have social media so people can share it on their social media. And call to action, I can do whatever I want to do here. What I want to do here is um, let's see, it's the blog, learn more. Okay, cool. And I don't want it to go to the URL that we're getting the data from. Where I want it to go is to go to my page here. So when someone read the blog and click it, it's going to go to rohanhall.com. Okay, because this is a blog about the stuff that I do. So I'll just paste over that. Okay, so now we're done. I'll just click create and it will create the blog, and it's going to ask me different credit card stuff. So I'm going to just pause and do my credit card stuff. Okay, the payment stuff is done, and now it's generating the blog. It takes like about 1 to 2 minutes at most. So I'll pause it and I'll show you the result of this. Okay, so blogs have been created. Took about a minute, a little bit more than a minute actually. And then we'll give you a little message. We've generated your first blogs. We will automatically generate, publish, and index blogs for you daily per your plan. So for my plan that I selected, we'll have 3 blogs created daily. I have nothing to do. It will create it, it will publish it, it will do everything for me. It'll send it to Google to get indexed. If you want to manually edit and publish your blog, go to my campaign and edit your campaign. So you can do that. I don't really want to edit it. Most people don't. They just want to just go about their life and not about blogs, which is the whole purpose of what we're doing. Well, the blogs are now created. You can see they're about Sam Dever. Let's go ahead and have a look at one of them. Exploring the dynamic world of the Sam Dever podcast, a hub for engaging conversations, and by Rohan Hall. And it goes into it, questions you may have about Sam Dever podcast. What is the Sam Dever podcast about? Who are some of the notable guests featured, etc., etc. And so our AI literally read the information from the podcast, and it's going to go now every day and just write new blog content. We have call to action. We have our little newsletter down here. We have other related blogs for the podcast. So it's very, very cool. If I go, this is another one that was created and so forth. And then we have all kinds of link building, SEO, internal links, lead capture, and social media. All of these things that you need to get ranked like just super, super well on Google. So that's how you convert a podcast or really any video that you want to into very high quality, engaging blogs that will help you to get more online visibility, brand awareness, and as well as traffic to your website.